1. American History X. Hate is easy to learn, it's hard to unlearn. 2. Warrior. Two brothers. Same cage, different pain. 3. There will be blood. Chase money and power with nothing else, and you end up alone. 4. Cast away. Take everything away from a man, and you find out what he actually needed. 5. Full Metal Jacket. Discipline can save you. It can also break you. Most men never see the line. 6. 7. The scariest people aren't the ones who lose control. They're the ones who never had any. 7. 12 years a slave. A man loses everything except the truth of who he is. This isn't a lesson. It's a reminder of what it costs to hold on to your dignity. 8. Moneyball. Everyone believes the same lie. The winner is whoever stops believing it first. 9. The wrestler. The crowd stops cheering long before the man is ready to stop. 10. Django Unchained. Nobody gave him freedom. He took it, and it cost him everything. 11. The Departed. Loyalty means nothing once you forget who you're loyal to. 12. American Sniper. Some men come home from war. Not all of them really leave it. 13. The Prestige. Obsession doesn't just cost you time. It costs you the people who loved you first. 14. Unbroken. The body gives up before a strong mind ever does. 15. Lone survivor. Brotherhood isn't tested on the easy days. It's tested when everything falls apart. 16. Cool Hand Luke. Some men can't be broken, not because they're tough, because they refuse to be anyone else. 17. 12 Angry Men. One man in one room says no. That's what standing your ground looks like. 18. Forrest Gump. The man who overthinks the least sometimes lives the most. 19. Creed. Nobody hands you a legacy. You prove it yourself from zero. 20. Scarface. He got everything he wanted. It still wasn't enough. Subscribe.